Hello parents, hello students, this is Mr. Veszpeller. Today's lesson is Unit 1, Lesson 7, so Lesson 1.7. The study plan is multiply and divide by 10. So far you should have mastered your 5s, your 2s, and now your 10. Tonight's homework has to do with word problems one more time. Remember, class, to use this help aid. C stands for circle the number. U, underline the question. B, box important terms. E, eliminate unnecessary information. And then finally, solve the problem. Wendy has 100 cents. She wants to buy some marbles that cost 10 cents each. How many marbles can she buy? So we circled, as you can see, we circled the 100, the 10. We boxed each, meaning it's going to be division or multiplication, and then underlined the problem. We also boxed in marbles. We know that's going to be the label. All right, well, so we know it's division because the answer is going to be smaller than what we started with. 100 divided by 10 equals 10 marbles. All right, Natalie turned off 2 lights in each of 6 rooms. So we circled the numbers. Let's underline the question. How many lights did she turn off? Then let's box important terms. Each means multiply or divide. Lights is going to be our label, and I think that's good. So 2 lights in each of 6 rooms. This is like an equal shares problem where there's 6 groups or 6 rooms. Each room contains 2 lights. So it's 6 groups of 2. If you count by 2 6 times, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I need 2 hands. So it's 12, and then the label is lights, 12 lights. Lewis has 18 single socks. How many pairs of socks does he have? Underline the question. Notice how I only circled 1. So what is the hidden information? The hidden information is pair, which means 2. Okay, and then socks is going to be our label. Or actually pairs of socks. This whole thing is going to be the label. Pairs of socks, not just socks. All right, the total is 18. So the total goes here. And we're going to divide by 2. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 pairs of socks. Lena has 9 nickels. She wants to buy an apple that costs 40 cents. Does she have enough money? So it's actually a 2-part problem. First, we have to figure out how much she needs to spend and whether or not she has enough. So Lena has 9 nickels, so we have to figure out how much 9 nickels is. The hidden information is actually right here. So how much does she have? And then the second part, see, we circled 3 things, which means we have 2-part problem. So nickels is 5 cents. So step 1, 9 times 5, 9 groups of 5, or 9 times 5 equals 45 cents. So Laura has, well, how much? 45 cents. She wants to buy an apple that costs 40 cents. Does she have enough? So then the second part is yes, she does. It doesn't say to explain, but you can say yes, she has enough. She has an extra 5 cents. Annabelle has 20 crayons. She gave means subtract, she gave 5 of them to each of her sisters. Underline the question. Box the other important term. This is your label. Each means divide or multiply. Now, if you end up with a smaller number than your original total, then you're going to divide. 20 crayons and she gives. So subtract or divide. Remember, division is just a shortcut to subtraction, or it's repeated subtraction. So 20 divided by 5, count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20. How many 5s? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many sisters? 4 sisters. Let's do something here. Let's see if it's a reasonable answer. Is it reasonable to have 4 sisters? Now, if by some accident, carelessness, you multiplied 5 times 20, and you know that's 100, is that reasonable to have 100 sisters? No. Okay, so always look at whether that answer is reasonable. All right, I'll leave this to you. So this table has a pattern. The top here says it's 1 nickel. How much do you have if you have 1 nickel? Answer is 5 cents. If you have 3 nickels, you just count by 5 3 times. 3 groups of 5. I have it here, which is 15 cents. 5 nickels is 5 groups of 5 cents. 5 times 5 is 25. 8 times 5 is 40 cents. And then, so what's this? This is 9.45. I'm giving away the answer, aren't I? So this is the reverse. What number times 5 equals 45? And then you could say 45 divided by 5 equals what number? All right, so you just count by 5s until you get to 45. And the answer is 9. And then 50, we were learning our tens. It's simple. 50 divided by 5 equals 10. All right.